fave. Yay! I forgot to use concealer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the power of makeup. So I'm going to be transforming one side of my face, full glam, full beat, everything, and the other side, nothing. There will be nothing there, and I'm going to show you how powerful makeup really is. Like, it can make me look so different, it can make you feel so different. So I've zoomed in slightly just so that you can see what I'm doing a bit more. And I'm going to start off by putting skin tape all the way down one side of my face, just so that we get that like perfect line, because sometimes you can go over a bit and then it's just not as powerful like for the end look. I'm going to do my right side of the face with makeup on. Might scrap that idea actually. Wow. Let's scrap that idea. I'm going to use the Revolution eyebrow pomade in medium brown. Well, I always use in every video. So I'm just going to go in with that, and I'm just going to do my eyebrow. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrow in one of my previous videos, that'll be like 2 days ago now, that'll be there, full eyebrow tutorial. So I'm just going to very quickly do them how I would usually do them. Oh damn. Okay. So now my eyebrow is drawn on how I would usually do it. I'm going to carve that out with concealer. My eyebrow looks so crazy right now. It'll be fine in a minute. I'm always preaching trust the process, so that's what I'm going to preach right now as well. Let's just carve that out with concealer. Okay, so the eyebrow is all done and carved out, and this side is looking much better, like, yes. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do an eye look, and I'm thinking I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette today, just because I didn't want to use the Carnival palette again. Matches the mirror. This is what it looks like inside. It's really colourful, there are shimmers. I'm gonna use the P. Louise base in 2 for this eye look. First things first, I'm going to go in with the shade Delicious, which is like this dark blue shade here, and I'm just going to blend that round and up like a flick, and I want it to go like swept over here, you know, and just blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with, because I'm going to make this like colourful blended out eye, I'm going to start with the shade Licorice, which is this one, the red shade, and I'm just going to blend that up to about here, and that's where I'll stop. And then I'm going to go in with this orange shade here called Suck, and I'll just blend that to here to about here. Yes. Now I'm going to take the shade Sour, which is this green shade, and I'm just going to blend that next to that. And now we're going to finish it off with this light blue here called Brain Freeze. So now we are going to cut the crease, and to do that today I'm going to be using the P. Louise and Mitchell Acid Rain paint in blank canvas. I absolutely love this stuff. I think it cuts the crease so nicely. It is just 10 out of 10. Just below where we've put that blue. And I'm just dragging it all across and doing it all the way up here as well. Just bring that paint all the way along. Don't worry that your colours of your eyeshadow mix into the paint, because we're probably going to cover it with glitter or something anyway, so don't worry about that. If you didn't want that to happen, what I would do is I'd go in with a cotton bud with some kind of makeup remover on and sweep across the edge of just where you're going to cut the crease before doing it. And then it'll be perfect. There'll be no eyeshadow mixing in, it'll be fab. So now that that is cut, this isn't actually a product that you need to set. It'll set itself in a few seconds, so it will dry down to matte. So I don't think I'm actually gonna put a colour on top. I think I'm just gonna use the MAC Dazzle Shadow in Not Afraid to Sparkle, and I'm gonna put glitter all the way across, because it wouldn't be one of my looks if I didn't put glitter on it, really, would it? Oh, I absolutely love these liquid dazzle shadows. Like, look how sparkly they are. They're just like full on glitter, but without all the mess and no glitter glue needed. Yes, now look at that glitter. Love it. A rainbow blend with a bit of glitter. Love that. I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara before putting on my falsies. For my lashes today, I am using the P. Louise Dare Luxury lashes, but I'm actually using one of the P. Louise Dare Luxury lashes today. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've already moisturised and my skin is ready to go. But obviously I'm just using it on the side of my face that I'm going to be applying the makeup. So now that's all nicely blended in, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix foundation in NC15. What the hell? Look at that like visible line down the centre of my nose as well. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour this side of my face. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix foundation stick in NC15 to do this. Okay, so now that that is all nicely blended in and this side looks a complete different shape to this side, I think we're good. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, blush, and today I'm going to be using Blush Baby from MAC. Do you know what I've just done? I've just done all the powder products and forgot to use concealer. This is throwing me off doing one side of the face. And try and blend that in and hope it doesn't mess everything up. Oh, it looks worse on camera. Well, it looks good in person, so I'm gonna set it after already setting it with bronzer and blush. I'm gonna be using the Revolution translucent setting powder just to like set underneath my eyeball. My eyeball, really. Okay, so now that we're nicely set, matte under the eyeballs and not the eyeballs, the eyeball. This one, not this one. I'm going to add some highlight to this side, obviously using the Benefit Cookie highlight, because what else would I even use? Damn. Oh, it literally impresses me every time. It is amazing. Oh, sometimes I like highlighter and sometimes I don't. Sometimes it can make me look like I have a sweaty forehead and I don't want that. Glowing! Yay! Yay! I'm just gonna line the waterline with the black kohl pencil from Barry M. I am just gonna take the Carnival palette. I'm sorry, I know I can't not use it. Whatever. I'm just taking the black shade and I'm just gonna smoke out that black pencil we just put in the waterline. I'm just gonna pop some mascara on the bottom eyelashes. All we've got left now is a lip and then we're done. So I wanted it to obviously be something like completely different to this side, so I'm going to go in with the orange liquid suede from NYX, and it's literally called Orange Country, and I love this. With these I feel I don't need a lip liner, so I just don't bother. I nearly forgot what I was doing for a second then and did my whole lip. We're good, we didn't. And we are done. Look at the difference here. This is the power of makeup. This is how different it can make you look and how different it can make you feel. Like when I'm like this with my full glam on, I feel so different to when I do when I have no makeup on at all. Like it just gives you more confidence. You just feel like you can be you, or I do anyway. That's why I wear makeup. That's how it makes me feel. This is it, guys. Full transformation. Well, full half transformation. It's not a full transformation. Complete, and I want you to let me know down below what you think on which side you prefer. No makeup, makeup, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you are notified with every video I upload. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.